If you're here, it's because you want to know if this is a good quality TV brand. To tell the truth, neither do I. That's why we're going to review and unbox this 32-inch Siragon Smart TV, one of Siragon's budget TVs. We're going to see the features and what this TV offers over the other TV brands in the market so that you can make the best decisions if you have it in one of your options. Hi YouTube, welcome to my channel, and for those who are returning, it's good to have you back. I'm Shababs, and in this video we're going to unbox and review the Smart TV Siragon model 32DA5000. We'll check each and every one of its features, functions, the resolution, etc. But the most important thing is that we'll try and answer the question, is it worth it? So one more thing, to avoid a long boring video, we've decided to divide it in 3 parts. The links will be included in the description. First, a little bit about this brand or company. Siragon is a Venezuelan assembly, manufacturing, design, and distribution company of electronic and computing equipment such as digital cameras, tablets, and LCD televisions. The company was created in an alliance between Venezuelan and Japanese investors. Talking about the general features in the box, it is a 32-inch 5000 series Smart TV DLED, it's not FHD, of a 1366 by 768 HD resolution. Its design is frameless, meaning it has very small bezel or no bezel at all. It works on Android 11 operating system, which will allow you to access the entire Google Play application catalog. And without further ado, we'll proceed with unboxing and review so you can decide if the quality is worth it.
I don't really know what comes next, I'm just doing my best even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't, that's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
So what comes in a box? We have 2 bases, we have a package. Let's go and see what is included in the package. And our CA cable, we have base screws, more screws to fix the base, AA alkaline battery, the remote control with Google Assistant, user guide, a product certificate, and the TV. Now we're going to proceed and install the base or TV support. For that, we're only going to need a screwdriver, star screwdriver. In the box, we already have the screws we're going to need, and of course, we have the base. The first thing is to place the TV on a flat surface. Next step, be sure to distinguish between the right and left of the base and between the front and back. Here on this side, we have R, meaning right. We look for a base labeled R. So this is what we're going to install on this side. So this is our guide, and this is the direction. We have to align this to the guide here and align the holes to the holes that we have right here. Now, insert the bases into the specified areas on the bottom of the TV. Use the guide and the direction of the arrow. Align the screw holes and make sure to screw them tightly. Also make sure the shorter side of the base is facing backwards and the longer side is facing forward. We're going to go through the whole process, but for the L side, the left side. Finally, test to make sure base is firmly installed and well. Your TV is now ready. A little bit more information about this Siragon Smart TV. As mentioned earlier, this is a 32-inch TV. It comes at a good price, but in terms of quality, we'll be able to conclude after the review. It does have an interesting technology such as the Google Assistant, an interface made especially so that you can give voice commands using the remote control, similar to the Amazon Fire Stick. It has many ports, for example, HDMI interface, USB input, which allows you to connect a wide variety of external devices. We have Wi-Fi connectivity, Dolby Surround sound, among others. Starting with some general features or descriptions of the TV, here in front we have two internal speakers with a 6-watt power each, Dolby Digital. In the middle, the power on receiver LED. This can also be manually powered on down here, in case you don't have a remote control or something. At the back we have a LAN RJ45 port, 2 HDMI ports, and a digital coaxial. There is an earphone port or audio output, an AV in, and 2 USB ports. Other connectivity includes dual Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.0 inbuilt. It's powered through 110 volt AC at 60 Hz. And if you want to mount it on the wall, the VESA measurements are 200 by 200 millimeter. Not to forget that the operating system is Google TV and the remote control has Google Assistant incorporated. That's it for now. For those who are only interested in the unboxing, hope this video has been helpful and has given you enough information on this smart TV, Siragon model 32DA5000. But if you're interested in knowing more about this TV, the settings, the what and the where, general information about the TV, etc., you can click on the link below or click on the end screen to access the second part of this video. I appreciate your time here. If you have any questions, leave them below. Also, please let me know what you think about the TV in the comment section, or if you already have some experience you might want to share. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button so you get notified when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching, and as always, see you soon.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour, take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder. And f*** all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.